Hi! In front of me is Nokia 105 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by going into menu and choosing Alarm app. Now to adjust some time settings, select them over here. And before creating your alarm, pick clock options like time format, set up a date, adjust display of time and date section, and even decide if you wish to enable or disable auto update of date and time. When you finished, go back and finally create your alarm by picking Set Alarms section at the top. Now click on the chosen one and set tapen hour. When you finished, hit OK. Now select the same alarm again and tap on Repeat Alarm option. Decide if you wish to repeat it once or adjust Repeat Alarm section. I will adjust it. So when I click on Repeat Alarm, I can pick days of the week. When you finish, click on Done. Then save your changes by picking Yes. Now you can also click on your alarm by choosing Select, tap on Adjust, and edit your hour if you wish to. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to change sound of it, go back, click on Alarm Tone, and decide if you wish to use a standard one or pick one of the available ones from ringing tone list. Just click on it and tap on the best one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!